Hi there, Tony Maynard here, and I'm at Tony's Insane Bonus Bundle, and today I'm doing a review on Mavin. He makes $6.91 a week by piggybacking on the success of others, using software that does 90% of the work. Traffic is built in, no experience needed, and the method is unexploited. So what is Mavin all about? Uh, a system that's so easy to use that a beginner can make 100 to 500 per day while scrolling his phone. It's been so fun gliding over these screens and making money doing it. A system that's easy enough for a fourth grader or even a 70-year-old grandma that pays for using our phone, that doesn't require educational experience, that works fast, that's scalable. The more you scroll, the more you earn. If you want to better your, if you want a better life, it's time for a change. If not now, then when? Your new possibilities are endless with this opportunity. Gives you the power to change your life forever. Small decisions shape our future. Attain financial freedom. Quit your 9 to 5, luxury vacations, new home, new car, cash in the bank, peace of mind and happiness. Secure your kids' future. Be your own boss. And no, you don't need any technical skills or prior experience to make every last one of these dreams into reality. Mavin is not only 100% newbie friendly, it also comes with 24/7 support from technical experts, customer service pros, and marketing masterminds. But what do you have to gain? If $30 could change your life, change your entire life, would it be worth it? Good news, you don't even have to pay that much, but you do have to get in on this offer before the timer hits zero. Because Mavin is all about giving you everything you need and nothing you don't. Prices and upsells. Front end Mavin, $22. Access the powerful Mavin software and training modules. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. No actual work, new unique software and training, 100% newbie friendly, proven profitable over and over, works in any niche, works right now, all the traffic is built in. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Watch the demo video of Mavin below. So we'll do that. We'll watch Mavin in action. Okay, here we go. We're going to watch this. Let's see how this work goes.
Hey, this is Montgomery. Welcome to Mavin app, and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page, and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now, everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So, we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button, and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor, and add your links using this box. Let's open a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic, and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic, and that's it. Click save. Oh, yes, you have to add a blog title. Done? Click save. Yes. Now, the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere, click this image button, use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay. Use your search term, search and found, and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor text, and category, and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Mavin access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it.
Well, there you go. There's the review on Mavin. So there you go. So it was quite a quick review. Does quite a lot. So there you are. Get Mavin now and get to all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, $427.95. Access to high ticket mastery. This teaches you how to sell high ticket items, and which is probably going to be something you can use with Mavin. Marvin, yeah. And then bonus number 2, valued $46.95. Accelerate your traffic with Bing. This teaches you how to create a Bing account and to use your Bing to get traffic to your Mavin pages. So bonus number 3, $344.95. Hack YouTube super traffic hack. This is another video about I've been amazed how to put your YouTube channel on autopilot and get it to get more subscribers and get higher rankings in the search, and yeah, and to be on the actual pages as well. So you're ranking higher and you're getting seen and getting noticed and to go viral as well. Bonus number 4, $267. Reach people's inboxes using stealth, and this is a blogging course where you're going to be taught how to get into the people's inboxes. It's just in Gmail and everything like that. And this is about doing little ads on Gmail. So it's another way of getting traffic, and you're in the inboxes of all people on Gmail. So yeah, that's the fourth. That's the bonuses. Bonus number 5, 197. Take action today and receive all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. And when you click here to secure your copy of Mavin and all the bonuses, you'll be taken to the sales page. And when you pick up a copy of Mavin, you'll be taken to the payment page. And once you've paid, you'll be taken to Warrior Plus, where you can access your purchase and access all your bonuses. You also get an email as well where you can do it, and you can do it that way at your email address, which you have to give when you're at Warrior Plus anyway. So yeah, so I'm Tony Maynard, and this is my bonus page. Let's go to the sales page now. Okay, here's the sales page. Struggling with website traffic, frustrated with push button traffic softwares that promise the world but never deliver. This revolutionary AI cloud app generates traffic and sales in only 47 seconds by legally stealing trending news authority sites. Yeah, by legally stealing trending news authority sites. This is a simple, easy, and works quickly. True 40-second software, 100% user friendly, helps free traffic and sales. Start using it in the next 47 seconds. No question asked, money back guarantee, $100 prize if you fail to work. It fails to work for you. What have you got to lose? Never pay monthly recurring ever during the launch period. Only one time pay $22 and get in access here. I think I'll leave it at that for that. Now, and I see you got a 30-day money back guarantee here. See here, there is there. So I'll leave that. You can go through the sales page on your own. Right, now I'm going to go to here as we are at the members area, and there's not much to it, but there you are, you know, site visit. So I'll wait for that to load and see what happens. Affiliate marketing game. So here, there's see, so you've got all this on your site. Affiliate marketing reviews, make money online training. This is I know this guy. I do know this guy. You and me, GIT, iPhone demo, Mac here, you see, so, well, that's that. And you got this game here, home and main menu, website secure, which was, I forget this guy's name. Lucas. I know this fella. This guy's named Lucas. So he's got, this is his site. So, from using this app. So he's a marketer. Yeah. So you just go back to here, and you can add a blog. See, it says so. There's you and me, published. So you've got all these things here. Previous, next. So I can go next. Okay, so there you go. That didn't do anything. So you probably got to click on something to make that work. So, yeah, okay, settings. Site URL, so you got to fill that in. Test site, affiliate marketing game. Yeah, so this is a test site. Drag and draw image, upload, or browser, you know, blog. So it's processing. Those are all the blogs which are on the main page, and profile. And just log out. That's it. That's about all there is. This is very, very simple. There's not much to it. Not much to it at all. But you've seen the review with the you can add a blog. There it is there. You can enter the URL, so you, like you said, you can snatch it, you know, so that's what you can do. And it starts from there, so that's how that's how it works. And then you, by creating, you add a blog, you go and snatch the content from somewhere else, authority sites, and then you can spin it and do whatever you want and create your own, you see. that's what this is all about. But anyway, I think I've done enough on that, so we'll go back to my bonus page, because if you want to know more, where you just go to you can go back into, this is back to my bonus page, and you can go up here and you can watch the review again. You see, here it is. You watch this again. You can just watch that review through again. But right now we're going to go through the bonuses again, so you get access to the high ticket mastery. You get accelerate your traffic with Bing. You get you know hack your YouTube super traffic hack. Yes, and bonus 4, access to reach people's inboxes using stealth. Okay, so that's what you get. You're going to need those with this, with Mavin. It'll help you to get more traffic to your blog, to your blogs, and so then you can make more money. The more traffic you get, the more likely you are to succeed, and that's how it is. So, and you will get that. So if you take action today, you access all the vendor bonuses as well. So click on you to secure your copy of Mavin and your bonuses. And when you do, you'll be taken to the sales page. When you click up Mavin, you will be you pay for your even the front end of Mavin. Then you $22, which is a no-brainer, and you get 30-day money back guarantee. So you get 30 days to try it out. And so if what doesn't work for you, then you just get a refund. So with that, and you click on these secure buttons, and you can get to that on my YouTube channel by looking into the description of this video on my YouTube channel, on the review on Mavin. Okay, and thank you for sticking with me to the end of this review, and I will see you again in another one. Thank you again, and I'll see you again. Bye.